Hey guys, hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Yes, just in case you're new to this space and you're wondering who's this girl, yes, my name is Chika Oputah, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Yes, thank you so much. Let me clap for you guys. For the love on my previous videos, I really do appreciate. It feels that YouTube is pushing our content, but please, they should continue. They shouldn't stop. Whatever they are doing, they should just keep doing it. Okay, without further ado, if you are new to this space and you're wondering what this channel is about, yes, it's all about motherhood lifestyle and everything in between. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Okay, today is day 2 of our motherhood series chit chat. Yes, in the previous video, yes, me talking about navigating motherhood and mental health, and today's topic is confidence in motherhood. We all know what confidence is. Confidence. We hear confidence. What is confidence? You believing in yourself, knowing that you're enough. Despite what you see, despite what you hear, despite what people see about you, you know that you're a confident woman, you're a confident lady, and you're a confident girl. So confidence is just believing in yourself, knowing that whatever you are, whoever you are, whatever you have is more than enough, and you can excel or you can thrive in yourself. Yes, being confident is not actually being rude. Being confident is not being proud. Being confident is knowing that yes, and actually if you're confident, know that you can actually do that thing. Not just saying I'm confident. I know. If you understand what I mean. Letting go of whatever you feel, your imperfections, letting go of hey, I cannot do this, but replacing it with I can do this. So now the first thing we're going to be talking about is letting go of mom guilt. If you want to be a confident lady, if you want to be confident as a mom, you need to let go of the things that you feel you're not doing enough. Hey, I'm not up to this standard, I'm not up to that standard, I'm not up to these people's class. You don't do that. But embracing the imperfect you and making it perfect. If you get what I mean. Then we talk about self-love and self-care. Don't just leave yourself like that. Yes, we know that we've passed through a lot of phases in life, birthing a child, birthing children, might be multiple pregnancy, or whatever the case may be. Okay, just know that anyhow your body tends to be, whether you're figure 8, figure 100, size 8, size 1 million, just make yourself the perfect you. Nobody can love you more than you love yourself, if you understand. You dress well. Whatever gives you joy, it could be shopping, it could be doing makeup, it could be whatever the case may be. Take care of yourself. Skincare, look good, go out, breathe in fresh air. Yes, from my previous video. Go out, breathe in fresh air. Just do you, despite whatever people may say. The flat tummy might not be there, the figure 8 might not be there, but whatever figure it is, there are lots and lots of things you can put on to still look good in whichever figure you are, despite what people talk about or despite what people see. Big people on the socials, like if you try to do more in that your state, you even turn to an influencer, because people want to watch you, how you thrive in that your space, how you thrive in whoever you are. They're interested in your business, like this world of today. So if you know what that means, please continue doing whatever you're doing, provided that you're doing the right thing, and shun whoever has to say. The world will definitely keep moving. So learn to celebrate small wins. Yes, maybe you've been trying to achieve a particular milestone, maybe trying to lose 5 kg, like, oh no, you're battling with weight all the time. Or you might be somewhere in your career, or your child, whatever win it is, please learn to celebrate and don't hold yourself so much saying, hey, I've not gotten this, I've not gotten that. No, we don't do that. Building confidence is all round. It's not building it in this aspect and leaving these other aspects. No, everything boils down to this confidence, yourself, and also trying to influence someone else to know that he or she is perfect in his or her imperfections. Don't say that, hey, I'm not up to this person. Comparison, no. Don't say I'm not up to that. But that way, complex comes in. Inferiority complex is not good. Comparing yourself with another one, that's a no-no. With your small wins, let go of that more guilt, self-love, and self-care. Learn to trust your instinct. Do whatever gives you joy, provided that you're on the right track, if you get what I mean. So this is just a little tip or something and also don't forget all that we have said. Letting go of that mom guilt, embracing self-care and self-love, embracing your perfection, trusting your instinct. Okay, so if you like such contents like this, you know how we do it. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, drop a comment, like, share. Let's know that you appreciate content like this, and if you want to see more content like this, also drop a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It is free. Bye.